Okay, so here we are at that rating schedule, all right? All we've done to this point is use that before you file guidebook, right, to help check, see if the claim is strong or weak, right? The guidebook will help you see, is this a strong claim or a weak claim? So we took those answers, put them on that 3-element statement template, and that gives us the statement that we're gonna send up to the VA, all right? With the rating schedule, all we do is add language from the rating schedule to that statement, all right? Simple, useful. For this one specifically, migraines, right, is what we're filing for. We're filing for migraines. So when you get to the rating schedule, all you need to do, Control F. Boom. You may not be able to see it, but when you do Control F, a box pops up. That's the find function, all right? So all you do now, type in migraines, M-I-G-R-A-I-N-E-S. All right, boom, let's see. Whoa. Take the S off. This only is migraine. All right, boom, look at this. Easy peasy. And the rating schedule, it's like the teacher calling you the night before you have to turn in the paper and telling you, hey, look, this is exactly how I'm gonna grade the paper, right? Sending you an email, letting you know, this is exactly how, That's what the rating schedule is, right? Look at this, 50%, here you go. 30%, here you go. 10%. So essentially what the rating schedule tells you is, have these symptoms, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. All right, like, let's not overthink it, right? Let's not complicate it. Have these symptoms, get this rating, right? The one that we're doing based on our situation is probably a 10% because we have characteristic prostrating. The prostrating is to like lay down, lay down and prostrating. So the migraine is so severe, I have to lie down, right? Shut the lights off, things like that. But the prostration is what they're looking for. Have these symptoms, get this rating, right? Prostrating attacks averaging 1 and 2 months over the last several months. We're having one every month, right? So we're at least going to be at the 10%. Hold up, maybe at the 30. Prostrating attacks occurring on average once a month over the last several months, right? So at this point, we put this language onto the 3-element statement, right? For whatever symptoms we are experiencing, that's all this is. Have these symptoms, get this rating, right? So we take this language, put it into the statement, and then we send that up to the VA. Okay, so here we go. This is the 3-element statement that we pulled, right? We used that guidebook to get the answers to the questions, took those answers, put it on the template, and then from the template, this is what we get. Just like we showed you in the rating schedule, prostrating attacks. So we lay out the first element, the second element, and the third element. And then lastly, thank you for your time on this matter, right? It's a person who's going to be reading this information and deciding on this claim. It's not a robot. So the thank you, we just pretty much laying down, we just killed this. Thank you for your time. You know what I mean? And that's pretty much it, right? So all we do is take this statement, copy it, and then paste it right on the 21-4138, the statement in support of the claim. And again, we advise, do statements for every condition that you're filing for. Make it easy for the rater so your approval chances are greater.
Do you think the VA claims process can be difficult, stressful, or even chaotic at times? If so, we made the Before You File Guidebook to help you keep your claim simple and organized. The VA claims process can make you feel overwhelmed, frustrated, or even pissed off. So we made the Before You File Microlearning Course to help you feel comfortable and confident when you walk into that office to file your VA claim. Get the products and enjoy the benefits. Now back to the show.